Billionaires. We've all heard of them. Some pay a smaller tax rate than your school teacher. And this isn't illegal, by the way. It's just the actual rules. But how? Wait, let's actually see how they do this. Income tax is income. Most people get a paycheck, taxed instantly. However, step one is to have no big paycheck. Musk takes $1 salary, $1 single. His wealth lives in stock. Stock rising isn't income. It's unrealized gain. On paper, it's not taxed. Eventually, you need cash. Selling triggers tax. So, they mostly just don't sell. They buy, borrow, and die. Buy assets, grow untaxed. Borrow cash against them. Loans aren't taxed, they're loans. Musk borrowed for major buys. A company, a rocket, whatever. Interest is smaller than the tax. So, whoops, just borrow, I guess. What actually happens when you die, though? What happens to all the borrowing? IRS resets the cost basis. So, stepped up basis. Growth is never taxed. Founder stock, this is another thing. QSBIS excludes huge gains. It's built for startups. It works great too. Zero state tax. Texas, Florida. Musk moved to Texas. Puerto Rico's day. Essentially 0%. Move residency, gains vanish. Charitable giving. Donate stock, skip the gains tax. Get a deduction too. However, there's a twist. Money sits there for decades before reaching any charity. Deduction now, giving eventually. Trusts. Past growth, little gift tax. Shielded across generations. Carried interest. Taxed as capital gains. Meaningfully lower. Real estate trick. Paper value drops. Offsets other income too. The family office. A full-time team optimizing this. The gap is the advantage. Not by accident. Heavy lobbying keeps rules in place. The league data of 2021. Wealth growth versus tax paid. Smaller rate than many workers. That's insane. On paper, the rate looks normal. Of a reported income versus real wealth, both sides. 1. Smart legal planning. Other, legal isn't fair. Just tax gains? Sounds simple, but it generally isn't in practice. Wages grew slowly for decades. Asset wealth grew far faster. A teacher's paycheck taxes instantly. A billionaire's stock sits untouched. Two different games. Let's stack every tool fast. Tiny salary, unrealized gains, borrowing, stepped up basis, founder stock, zero tax states. Charity trusts, carried interest. Real estate, family offices, and etc. 12 tools, and they're all legal. Nobody breaks the law or does anything illegal. It rewards whoever already has enough. Structural advantage looks like winning. Fixable? Yeah. Some pieces of the legal system, yeah. Some pieces, it's kind of hard. Tax the movement of money. Not the number sitting still. Move money, little, late, legally. Why? They don't pay much. 12 tools stacked in a row. Never the same game. Not cheating. It's just fully knowing the rules. And that's how billionaire gets taxed and how they evade tax. 12 quiet legal tools. Cheating was never required. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe.